Hi, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Today I'll be showing you how to add your own labels to the favorite section inside LabelForge Pro. We'll head on over to the homepage of LabelForge Pro, and you'll see that I have a variety of labels already populated in here that I've chosen. You can add in labels from two different areas, recents, which will go over all the recent labels you've been working on, whether it be templates or a design that you imported. Then you can also go over to local. You can also go to the local section on your LabelForge Pro and you can check the file path where on your PC that you have populated your label folders, and add in ones that may be from your downloads section or other areas of your desktop that you wanted to put in here. And you'll see in the top right hand corner that there's a star icon that you can press. And once you hit that, it will populate in your favorite section. And that is it. That's how you add labels to your favorite section inside LabelForge Pro. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.